What's up, babes? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome to another video. So in today's video we are doing a get ready with me. So we are focusing on hair and makeup. But before we jump into it, if you are not already an Angel babe, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time that I upload. So before we jump into the hair, I wanted to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video. We love Luvme Hair, y'all already know. This hair is fire, y'all, but we're not gonna talk about it just yet. Let's go ahead and jump into me installing this unit. So now that my hair is done, we're gonna go ahead and move on with the face. The face is going to be super simple, you guys. I'm not doing anything crazy, really no eyeshadow. I did go ahead and pop in some contacts because I was feeling a little, you know, a little extra, and my prescription contacts are really bothering me. I need another pair. I'm on my last pair, girl, so we gotta make it do what it do. So for my primer, I use the Fenty Beauty primer. I already primed my face off camera, pretty much in my T-zone area. Y'all already know. So now I'm just gonna go in with my foundation, and for my foundation, I'm using this Estee Lauder Double Wear. It's been a minute since I've used this here on my channel, you guys, but in real life, okay, in real life, honey, I have been dragging this through the mud. Like, it's literally been my favorite. Why did I wash my makeup brushes and now I have nothing to blend my face out but with this little bitty tiny brush right here? But we're gonna make it work, girl, like we always do. I have not worn this foundation, you guys, in a long time until recently, and I almost forgot how much I love this foundation. Like, it is just super, super beautiful on the skin. I love the medium coverage that it gives. This is just a really nice foundation. We definitely made that work. So for my concealer, normally I mix two concealers together, but I'm just gonna use this one. I haven't used this one in a minute either. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Cool Tan. Yes, it's almost 2023, and I know this came out years ago, honey, but this concealer can't be fucked with, okay? It just can't be messed with, okay, at all. Since this is a new one, we're going to kind of give it a chance to dry down a little bit, and then we're coming back to blend it out. And I'm also going to take this on top of my lids as well. Oh my god, it is giving Casper the Ghost on this monitor, girl. So for my powder, I'm just using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Medium Deep. And I'm just going to use that to set the under eye and my forehead where I highlighted. When I go back to edit, I hope it's not as crazy as what it's given. So to set the rest of my face, I'm just going to be using this Soft Focus powder. I have really found that I like certain foundations between the two powders that I like, which is this one and the Maybelline. And I love the Estee Lauder foundation with this powder. We're going to do a little bit of bronzer, and of course I'm using this to hit the nose. And lately I've also been kind of like just taking it in my crease, just to kind of give the illusion that there's something going on with my eyes, girl, and that they're not completely bare. And for my bronzer, I think I'm going to use both of these. I used both of these yesterday and I really like them together. We're going to start with the lighter one. This is just the Morphe Glamour Bronze bronzer, and I'm just going to add some color, honey, and warmness back to the face. What in the world was I just looking at? And as a matter of fact, I think I'm only going to use this one because I've already OD'd on the bronzer. We're going to blend that out a little bit. And then for blush, I'm going to be using this one from NYX. This is the Sweet Cheeks matte blush in the shade Bang Bang. So pretty. Love this tone blush. And I've been loving this brush, you guys, for blush because it doesn't move my blush all over the place. It keeps it where I need it to go, and it doesn't move my makeup either. Because sometimes I feel like when the brush is too fluffy, it kind of just gets everywhere. And this is the Real Techniques 449 brush. And it's just a tapered cheek brush. So I'm feeling a little spicy. So I think we're going to do highlighter. So I'm using this L'Oreal Dripping in Gold. And I'm just going to use the Molten Copper shade in this trio. Super pretty. Now I'll put just a little on my cheeks. And I feel like every time I'm supposed to use this eyeliner, y'all, but I never use it. So we're gonna try it again next time. I'm just a lash kind of girl. Honestly, I'm not even a lash kind of girl. Like, my makeup has been so simple lately, you guys. It's just crazy. So I have been doing my eyebrows last as well sometimes. Today is one of those days, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the brows. My skin has been super dry lately. Oh my gosh. Brows are on, honey. And for my lashes, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these on really quick. These are not the lashes I originally wanted to wear, but these are really pretty. I almost think that they're pushing it though. Like, I almost think they're a little bit too much for me, but especially without any eyeshadow. But they're actually really pretty. So I'm just going in with some bottom mascara. And for my lips, I think I'm gonna go with like a pink or something. Gosh, I feel like I'm sitting down so low. So I'm gonna use this liner right here. It's just by Wet n Wild. Y'all know this is my favorite. And we're gonna line the lips. Why God made my lips so big, girl? I love them. So for my lipstick, I'm gonna be using this MAC Please Me. First time using this, you guys. I've been buying a bunch of MAC lipsticks and not wearing them. This is what it looks like. It's super pretty. Oh, and it's kind of creamy. Oh, this is a regular matte. Oh wow, I didn't know she was that pink. And then to top it off, we're gonna use that's really pretty though. Like, this is really pretty. I'm gonna use MAC lip gloss and Candy Box. These next couple of videos you guys see, just be ready to see me opening a bunch of new lip products. Because I've been on lip products like nobody's business, girl. Oh, this is a perfect combo. This gloss goes perfect with the lipstick. When I hear that noise, I know it's the DMs, honey. Ooh. Yeah, it's definitely giving what it's supposed to. Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. I'm going to spray my face and get myself together. And then I'll be back. So now that everything is done, honey, and we are ready to go, let's go ahead and talk about this unit real quick. Y'all, this unit is absolutely gorgeous. I love, like, this is giving, like, it's giving crimps. It's giving crimps and curls. That's what it's giving. So this is a 5x5 closure unit, and this is their flowy bohemian curl texture. This hair is so gorgeous, you guys. I literally did nothing to this hair at all, really, you guys. There's no product in it, simply just water. When it comes to my curly hair, you guys, I like to keep it very simple. I do use product sometimes, but very minimum. But this unit, no product. So I did go ahead and do some plucking off camera. So I did go ahead and pluck the hairline a little bit. We love a closure. Let's talk about it. We love a closure. A 5x5 or 6x6 closure is my favorite, you guys. Super duper easy to install. You do not have to worry about the ear tabs and all of that. So if you're a beginner or you're not really familiar with lace and you want like a nice curly unit, this was going to be perfect for you, girl. Like, this hair is so gorgeous, you guys. And as far as the inches on this unit, you guys, I want to say it's about 20 to 22 inches. This hair, like, literally, girl, let me just get up and turn around so y'all can see. This hair literally comes to the middle of my back. I mean, like, literally to my butt. Like, it literally comes to my butt. This hair is just super gorgeous, you guys. Super duper beautiful. I have never had a curl pattern like this before, you guys, ever. Like, ever. Now, I remember, like, back in the day, like, when I was, like, in high school, when we used to wear, like, blended and synthetic hair, there was, like, a hair that was called Bohemian curl, and I used to love that. Okay, I wore it out. Like, I love that. And this definitely gives me that vibe of that Bohemian curl. It's very exotic. It's a very nice exotic wave. I feel like this would be perfect for the summer months, you guys. Let's just say this will not be a stranger to you guys here on my channel, okay? You guys are gonna see me wear this, like, for sure, for sure. Especially when the summer months roll around, it gets a little bit warmer. Like, we love a good curly unit. This is definitely giving what it's supposed to. Luvme hair never ever you guys disappoints when it comes to the quality of their lace as well as the quality of their hair. I feel like sometimes you have to compromise, but with Luvme hair, you don't gotta compromise, sis. You're gonna get both. This is super beautiful. I love how deep the parting space went back, you guys. Like, it could go back a little bit farther than what you guys are seeing. I could have made it a side part. I could have did something different, but I decided to go ahead and just keep it as a bust down middle part. It's been a minute since I had a middle part, so I'm excited for this. This unit is also glueless for the most part, you guys. The only thing that I really glued down or that's kind of like intact are my baby hairs. So I didn't really do much, and I also did like some baby hairs of my own just to kind of let it so it can blend a little bit more if the wind blows and all of that, honey. We want to be looking good, okay? We want to look good. And I also did feel like this is not going to be the type of unit that gets super big as the hair dry, because the hair is pretty much dry right now, because you guys know I don't like when the hair gets too big. But this is pretty. It's nice and controlled. It's a little wave, nothing too crazy. This is just gorgeous. I'm loving this, girl. We love this for us. This is super pretty. I don't have anything else to say, so that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much again to Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video, honey. We love that, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.